Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you loosening exercises which is recommended to be done before your workout or any of the yoga sessions. First, straighten your legs. We'll start with toes bending. Press your toes firmly forward and backwards. Do it for a couple of times and then we'll do ankle stretching forward and backward. Stretch it as much forward as possible and as much backward towards yourself as possible. Now we'll start with ankle rotation. Couple of times clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Now place both your hands below one of the knees, bend your leg and straighten it from the knee. Bend it, straighten it. Continue it for a couple of times. Now hold your leg closer to your chest like this and bend it upward and downward. Lift it as much higher as possible and then bring it down. Hold the posture for a couple of seconds and then release it. With the same leg, do rotation clockwise for a couple of times and then anti-clockwise. Once done, repeat all these movements with the other leg. Now bend the other leg and place the ankle on the other leg's thigh. Your one hand below the ankle and the other leg below the knee and swing it sideways. If it's comfortable, then bring it closer to your chest and then swing it again. This will give you a deep hip stretch. Now gently place your leg on the thighs again and let's do half butterfly. Lift it up and place it down. Lift it up and push it down. Do it for a couple of times and then relax. Now gently fold your legs and let's do few of the hand movements. Open up your arms, stretch open your fingers and close them. Open and close. One time thumb inside, one time thumb outside. Next will be close your fist and do wrist rotation. Do it gently but feel the stretch in your wrist. Open up all those joints and then do reverse. Now open up your palms and press your fingers towards yourself. This will give you a good stretch on your wrist. This will help you strengthen your wrist. The next movement will be elbow movement. Open up your palms facing the sky and bend your hands. Make sure your hands are straight at your shoulder level. When you open up your arms, they shouldn't be going down. Always on your shoulder level. Now stretch your arms sideways and do small circular movements. This helps build overall arm strength. And then reverse. And the next is shoulder rotation. Place your hands on your shoulder and rotate your hands up and down and backwards. Stretch your hands all the way up and down. Make sure your head is straight. Don't look down or up. Do it a couple of times and then go for reverse. The next is neck movement. First is up and down. Gently take your head down and then very slowly up. Make sure you do this very slowly. Complete the round, come in the center and then go for left shoulder. Then gently go towards your right shoulder. Do this movement very slowly. Enjoy the stretch in each and every part of your neck. Complete the round, come in the center and go for lateral movement, left and then right. Do it for a couple of times, every movement. Complete the round, come in the center and then go for rotation, down, right side, back side, left side. Complete the round. Do it for a couple of times in clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Make sure your shoulders are not dropping in either of the movements. With each movement, your neck is getting relaxed. You are feeling calm. Complete the round, come in the center. And the next we do is Parvatasana. It's an upward stretch. Lift your hands up. Take Namaskar Mudra and stretch them upwards. Make sure your hands are straight from your elbow. Stretch it. You'll feel deep stretch on your spine and even on your stomach. Hold the posture according to your capacity. Make sure your head and neck is relaxed. Hands closer to your ears and slowly come down. Relax. Now take your right hand, place it on your left knee. Your left hand will be behind and just twist backwards. You'll feel nice stretch on your shoulder. Come in the center and repeat on the other side. Do it for a couple of times on both the sides. Come in the center and relax. Now we'll do Baddha Konasana. Get your feet together, heels closer to your groin if that's possible. Make sure your back is straight. Hold your legs like this and slowly move your legs up and down. Then gradually increase the pace. Do it faster, making sure your back is straight, no pressure on your lower back. Avoid this asana if you have severe lower back ache. Try to lift your legs as much higher as possible and as much closer to your mat as possible. Slowly come out of the asana and relax yourself. Next we'll do is Nauka Chalan movement. Legs straight, hands beside your chest, lift your hands up, bend forward, come up. Make sure your hands are straight from the elbow when you come up and push yourself forward as much as possible. Do it a couple of times in this direction and then go for reverse. You feel good stretch on your legs. Slowly come out of the asana and relax. Fold your legs. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, comment and share. See you next Friday. Bye.